I made something that I have not made in years, and that's banana pudding. But I don't make my banana pudding the traditional way, if you will. I make mine with a teeny tiny twist, and I'm going to show you just how I make my banana pudding. Okay guys, let's get started. Let's cut these strawberries up and get to the goodness. Okay, you want to add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. You want this to be until it gets a fluffy consistency, but be careful because I showed you in my other video how to make homemade butter. If you don't know how, be sure to go check that out. I will leave a link in the description below, or yeah, right there. It's right there. Now you're gonna whip up your whipping cream. Whip it good. When it gets to the consistency like this, you know it's ready. We're gonna place our whipping cream in a different bowl because we're gonna use this bowl in a second for the pudding. Just look at that fluffy goodness. I'm gonna add that lemon pudding. Most people use French vanilla, or banana pudding, but I like lemon. When I put this lemon pudding in here, honey, the aroma that comes from it, I absolutely just love lemons. If you don't like lemons, you can skip this part and use that French vanilla or banana pudding. You'll need 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, you're gonna add your condensed milk. Please don't mistake this for the evaporated milk or regular milk. You need that condensed milk to make this pudding so good. Alrighty, let's blend it up. You want to now add your cream cheese. Make sure that cream cheese is room temperature, or you're gonna give yourself problems that you do not want. It's just so much easier when the cream cheese is softened. Okay guys, we're gonna whip it up and make our pudding. Make sure that it's smooth with no lumps. Next, we're gonna slice up these bananas. Yes, look at this creamy goodness, honey. This is how you want your pudding to look. All right, so now you're gonna take your whipped cream that you whipped up a minute ago and add it to the pudding. Yes, make sure that you stir this all the way through thoroughly. You want everything married together for that good flavor, honey. Okay, this is where it gets fun. Now make your first layer with pudding and then you're gonna add your bananas. Now make sure that all your bananas are all the way around the bowl, because every time you bite into a spoon of it, honey, you want those delicious strawberries and bananas to be a part of the experience. Next, you're gonna start with your cookies. I use the Notyourtraditionalbananapudding cookies because I like those best. You can use any shortbread cookies. I know some people like to use the chessman cookies. Whatever you like, or you can keep it original and use the others, but like the video says, not your traditional banana pudding. I'm layering this just like I would do a lasagna, except with bananas and strawberries and pudding. One thing I love is layers and layers of flavor, honey. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait, you guys. So you'll need a half a cup of whipping cream. We're gonna put it in there and beat it up good. And next I am going to add my lemon flavor. I use the Watkins because that's just the best to me. Add your powdered sugar, and we're gonna whip this up and make a cream top for our banana pudding. Doesn't this look delicious? Oh my goodness. Smooth it out really nicely over the top. And you want to crumble up your cookies. Just sprinkle them over the top for garnish and decor and for taste, of course, honey. Yes, the final piece. Voila. Yummy. So good. Let's dig in. Oh my God. Don't you guys want some? Yep, not your traditional banana pudding, honey. Alright, so this is my absolute favorite time of the video. It is time to eat, honey. Yes. And you know what? Go ahead and taste it. Make sure that your pudding is to your liking. Make sure that your whipped, honey, I was tasting. Okay. Perfect. Guys, follow this recipe. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And until next time, guys, bye. Good.